This is the entryway coming in. To the left is a powder room. Staircase going upstairs. And this is the living room. Dining room. Kitchen. Okay, so another view. Dining area. Okay. Outside patio. Dining area. Okay. And then upstairs. Linen closet. This is the open loft, and you can see it from the downstairs. There you go. There's a window. And there's a Jack and Jill bath there. These are built in. This is the master bedroom. Master bath. Okay, this is the second bedroom. Faces the street. With the Jack and Jill bath.